So this is my review for the Voltas Beko 8 place setting dishwasher, model number DT8S. So firstly, about the size, if you have seen a top load or a front load washing machine, this is exactly half of its size. It says that it's countertop and tabletop, but since my counter it was coming and hitting my shelves, I couldn't place it there and I did not have enough space. Coming to the installation part, we had the geyser water pipe here, so we put it here, and the drainage goes down in the sink. Let's open this and see how it is. This is the size. It says it's by 20 by 20 inches. As you can see, I purchased this on Amazon for rupees 20,000. So for its price range, mostly the dishwashers that are of full size come for rupees 40,000. So for the price range, this is pretty reasonable. This is the this is where you put your dishwasher detergent, your rinse detergent, and this is the drainage, and this is where you will add your dishwasher salt. For me, reasonably for two people, it accommodates dishes fairly well if you use it twice a day, or sometimes it suffices only once a day for me. The height of the top rack is pretty short, so you cannot keep very tall glasses or tall mugs here. Whereas if you see mostly in dishes, they have something written that you can only place this on the top rack, so you will have to take this into account that this is quite short in height. Now it does not have a cutlery basket. It has this kind of a tray here, so you are going to have to align all the cutlery here. So cutlery does go a little less, so it takes a little time to put it here, so that's one negative downside about this. So let's discuss about some of the usage features about this. It has 6 cycles. The first one is intensive, which is for 2 hours 40 minutes. Then the normal one is for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and eco one is for 3 hours. If you read in the manual, you'll see that the eco one uses the least amount of water and electricity. So then we have a glass care, which is for 1.5 hours, clean and shiners as well, and mini is just for 30 minutes. So in the mini cycle, you can put all kinds of non-dishwasher safe dishes as well, and nothing will happen to it because it mostly does not have a drying cycle, which causes dishes to get spoiled in the dishwasher. So you can, sometimes I've even put my mixer here, mixing jars here in the mini cycle, and they have come out fine. So let's see how to use it. This is the start and on button. You press it here. It's a touch button, and you saw how the red lines came underneath this. This will come if you have less rinse aid and less salt. These red lines will come. So for changing the program, you're just going to have to tap this. You have to close it actually, and then it will change. Okay, so this is the way you can change your programs, and this is the start and stop button. This also has a feature that if your light goes, it will not start all over again. If your electricity goes, it will just start from the same place it was before. And secondly, if you have forgotten to put some other dishes, you can simply press pause here, put the dishes inside, and start it again. So this thing needs to be closed firmly in order for the program section to come. So if I open this, I cannot change the program. Okay. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons about this dishwasher. So firstly, like I said about the height of the top rack, and little bit of the space of the top rack is also less. Secondly, it doesn't have a cutlery basket, so cutleries cannot go more than a minimum set of number. Then racks here, usually if you see in all the other dishwashers, if they have to put bigger utensils or vessels, this thing closes, but this thing is firm, so it doesn't close it, so which is why a little bit of dishes are less accommodated here. So that was about the dishwasher trays. Then when it comes to the installation, the pipe that comes with dishwasher is quite short. So as you see, we had to keep it on an elevation. We had to set a table below this so that pipe could accommodate. But because originally when we had put a pipe that hadn't come with the dishwasher, that a local plumber had put it had burst overnight, and there was basically water everywhere. Secondly, the drainage pipe is also quite short, so you're going to have to place it near a sink. So for example, if your kitchen is small and you don't have space, you're going to have to find some other way to drain the water that is going to be close by. So this was my review for this dishwasher. Overall, I've been using this for 6 months and I've had many issues with it. The dishes also come out clean and fine once you understand of how much detergent you're supposed to use and how you're supposed to place the dishes. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the section and I will be happy to answer it.